Alright, hello everyone. Today we're doing another unboxing. We're doing an unboxing of this camp shower bag that we got off Amazon. So there'll be a link in the description. So this is a 5-gallon shower bag. It does come with a 3-year warranty, so that's pretty nice. So it's got some nice photos here on our box. A pretty basic box, so pretty good. It says it includes the shower bag, a mesh carrying bag, a shower hose. It's going to be made out of PVC. Like I said, it's 5 gallons or 20 liters. It's going to weigh 1 pound, 1 pound, 0.1 pounds. And then it says it's army green. So let's open it up and see what it's like. Okay, so we've got a little card from our customer service people. From the seller from Amazon, so that's pretty nice. Okay, so like it said, it came with a mesh carrying bag, so that's pretty nice. It folded down pretty good. Let's open it up and see what we've got here. Okay. So, right from the bat, I see a really nice strap that you can attach to your trees, or your pipe, or whatever you want to connect it to. So, really easy to attach it to anything, so that's really nice. Feels pretty good quality here. Got a little pocket where you can put some soap, some shampoo. I've seen a little bigger pockets on some other ones, but you don't really need a giant pocket, so that's not that big of a deal. Looks like it's a pretty easy fill thing here. I like the screw-on cap. Some they've just got the little suction cup, so that's nice to have the screw-on cap. Let's look at our hose here. So our hose looks, and our nozzle looks pretty big, has lots of holes, so this looks like it's going to give a good amount of water coming out of it. Some other ones that I've used and seen have a lot smaller nozzle, so less water is going to come out, so this is going to work pretty well. Let's see how easy it attaches. So it attached without too much effort, so that's great. So definitely seems like this is going to be a pretty good shower bag. So we're going to throw the link to where to buy it on Amazon in the description. If you got something out of this unboxing, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you want to see some more unboxings and see some reviews of some of these products as we use it more, go ahead and subscribe, and go ahead and come back to see some more videos about some cool products. Thanks for watching.